In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear sway bar bushings on this Audi A4. It's going to be located in the rear suspension behind the tire. Let's get into it. I'm going to take these two bolts out, use a 13mm socket. Take that out. Take that bolt out. You can pull the sway bar back a little bit. We'll just take this bracket, slide the bracket off. The old bushing, that comes off. Take the new bushing, just spread it apart, slip it over. Take the bracket, go over the bushing. And we'll get the bolt started. And now I'll tighten this up. Snug those down. And torque those to 18 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.